So friends, we are back with our calculator tricks. A very useful operation that we often come across in statistics and at times in other subjects also is when we need to find out squares of some numbers. Let's say I wish to find out square of 5. What is the conventional way we go about it? We say 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. This is the conventional way we find out square of 5. Let's say I wish to find out square of 11. I would go 11 multiplied by 11 is equal to 121. Now let's say I wish to find out square of 141. How do we do it? 141 multiplied by 141 is equal to 19881. Now suppose the number gets bit big, 231925 square, 231925 multiplied by 231925. This gives me 53789205625. So numbers can get very big and it becomes tedious and even confusing and error prone when you type such big numbers twice. So we'll learn a technique where we could speed up the operations. First, let us take some more examples. Let's say you wish to find out square of 23 divided by 3. How will do it? How will do this? 23 divided by 3 is equal to this, which is 7.666 square. So now what I'll do is multiply it by 7.666. Either you will type this thing so many times or you might round it off. In any case, what is the answer? Answer is 58.777. And then let's take one more example. What if you wish to find out square of 4 divided by 7? How do you do this? 4 divided by 7, which gives me 0.5714, and square of this multiplied by 0.5714 is equal to 0.3265. So this is the conventional way we go about squares. Now let us learn a very quick and efficient way to get squares on our simple calculator. Let's start with first one. It was 5 square. What I'll do is 5 multiply equal to, and we get 25. So it was simple. Write the number, multiply is equal to, let's try this 11. 11 multiply is equal to, we get 121. Next, let us try this one. 141 multiply is equal to, we get 19881. Let us try this big one. 231,925 multiply is equal to, are we getting 53789205625? Done. Next, let us try this one. 23 divided by 3 is equal to 7.66. Now what I'll do is multiply is equal to, yes, 558.77. Now last one. 4 divided by 7 is equal to 0.5714, and we need square of this. So what I'll do is multiply is equal to, 0.3265. Done. It was that fast. All you need to do is just dial the number, multiply is equal to. So let us generalize it. What was the procedure? If you need to find out square of anything, this is the basic operation that we are trying. How will we do this on calculator? We'll write down that anything multiply is equal to. This is how we do it on calculator. So if you wish to find out x square, how do you do that on calculator? You press x, multiply is equal to. If you wish to find out 4.237 square, how do we do that? 4.237 multiply is equal to 4.237 multiply is equal to. These are the calculator keys that you need to press, only these. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.